try to figure out how we can use place value and partial product to help us multiply two-digit numbers. We've already been doing some two-digit by two-digit, and we're going to do a little more today. I'm going to go to the first page, and we are on to unlocking the problem, and the question is multiply 34 times 57. 34 times 57. So again, it's how they want to know. They want you to know how to break apart a model to find a partial product and how you can use what you know to find and record the product. Kind of sounds like a lot, but it's not. You've already done it, so let's do it right now. First, they want to know the estimate, because remember, that's always going to help you to know if your answer is reasonable. So remember, we underline the first one. We go over. The 4 is the boss. The 4 is for or less, so we let the 3 rest. So the 3 turns into just a 30. Same with this little guy here. Bring him over. Draw the arrow. 5 or more, add 1 more. So the 7 tells the 5 to add 1 more. And 5 changes to a 6, and that would change to a 60. So here for the estimate, we know 3 times 6 is 18 with how many zeros? 1, 2. Just bring those 2 zeros over. There you go. All right. Now what we're trying to do is we're trying to get, we're going to break it apart into the tens and the ones. So 34 would change to 30 and 4. Kind of using that expanded form. Remember when we talked about expanded form? 57 would be 50 and 7. So the first thing they want you to do is they want you to multiply the tens by the tens. So 30 times 5 tens is 150 tens. And then you're going to add 1 0. I think I'm going to need my smaller pen for this. 1, 5, 0, 0. And all they did there was they multiplied the 30 times the 50. Sometimes it's easier to see in the model. 30 oops, wrong color. Not a good color to use. Let's use that light blue. So that's what they multiplied right there. 30 times 50. 3 times 5 is 15. And you're going to add your 2 zeros after. All right. Let's see what we're going to do for step 2. Step 2, they want us to multiply the 30 times the 7. 30 times 7. So that would be this box right here. That's what they're doing now. 30 times 7. And what's 30 times 7? 30 times 7. Think what's 3 times 7? 21. And you're going to add a 0. So it's 210. Don't forget, line them up carefully, carefully, carefully. If you're watching this with your parents or your family, they're probably like, how many times is Miss Kuchera going to say that? Because in the past lessons, I've said it as well. Line them up carefully. It's hard for me to do it on here, but make sure you do it real careful on your paper at home. All right, next. So we've done this box, which was 1,500. We've done that box. What do you think is going to be the next box? It's going to be the 4 times the 50. Right there. Four times 50. We know 4 times 5 is 20. And we're just going to add one more 0 for that 0 right there. So the answer is 200. I'm trying to line them up as good as I can, guys. I'm sorry. All right. And step 3, we've done this one. 1,500. We've done this one. 210. We've done that one, 200. So the only one we have left is that little one right there. The little guy. So, which would be the 4 and the 7, and they're both in the ones place. So 4 times 7 is that spot right there. 4 times 7 is 28. I just wrote it big because I don't think there was any way I was about to fit it in that little box. 28. Now we're going to add. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 1, 0 plus, 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2 is 3. 5 plus 2 more is 9. 1 plus nothing is 1. There's your answer. All right, hope that helps for that lesson. If you have any questions, just let me know. Bye.